Class A Geometry students on this Wednesday the 15th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready to learn some more math. Hopefully you had a nice 4-day weekend and you're rested up, and hopefully you're ready to work hard in class today. Here's the schedule for the week. Today we're going to take a quiz and we're going to finish working on the review sheet. Now let me stop and say this. I emailed every parent, except obviously my own son, but I emailed every parent in the class and told them to remind you guys about your quiz on Wednesday, okay? So hopefully you guys have not forgotten. Quiz today, work on the review sheet. Tomorrow, we're going to start Chapter 9, even though Chapter 9 will not be on the test. So tomorrow, notes and homework from Chapter 9, test on Friday, okay? So there's a quick schedule for the week. You have nothing to turn in. There was no homework given to you on Friday. Incompletes. See what we have here real quick. Let's see, Nathan, this assignment here was given on Thursday, lesson 8.7. It was due on Friday. I did not get that from you, so it's due by tomorrow, or it will be a permanent 0. If there's a problem with that, let me know, okay? Guys, if you're in the room on the day of a test or a quiz, no matter how many days you've been absent, if you're in the room, you're taking the quiz unless you contact me before the class period starts. Now today, we're going to take a quiz and spend one more day working on the review sheet, okay? Here's the review sheet information that I gave you last Friday, just in case you need it again. Page 461, numbers 9 through 10. Page 462, numbers 1 through 23. There's the help video, and notice you'll want to start it at the 1022 mark, or excuse me, at the 445 mark. Now, here's the information for the fill in the blanks in case you need it again, alright? There's the definitions. I'm going to move on, Mrs. Duke, so if you need to pause the video, please feel free to do that. There's the theorems, 8.1 and 8.2, okay? Now, if you finish the review sheet during the class period, I want you to work on this assignment, okay? You do not have to finish it. You do not have to turn it in, and you should not turn it in. This assignment here is not for the bonus points. Also, there is not a video for this assignment. It's just more practice for you to work on, okay? Work hard, students. Take advantage of this time. Mrs. Duke, if you feel like anyone should not earn the bonus points because of their behavior, let me know, and they won't be allowed to earn those, okay? Plain and simple. Please work hard the entire class period. Remember, your test is not tomorrow. It is Friday. Now, here are the stats for quiz 23. There was 1A, 1B, there were 3 C's and a couple of F's, okay? If you want to check my work, the first mistake was 1 point off, next mistake was 5 points off, next mistake was 6 points off, and every mistake thereafter was 12 points off, okay? Highest grade, sorry guys, my voice is cracking a lot. Highest grade in the class was Josh. He had a 94, so congratulations to him. If you want to find your mistakes, and I encourage you to find your mistakes, this was a tough quiz. Here's the video for you to watch. Okay, you don't have to watch, it's not required, but it might help you do well on your test if you know how to work these problems, okay? Now, here's the video for your last test. Everyone has finally taken that, okay? I've already gone over the stats for you guys, okay? And I told you not to lose your tests, okay? So there's the test correction video. Your test corrections are due by next Wednesday, okay? I've already passed them back to you, so you will turn these tests in with your test corrections. I will remind you guys every day that your test corrections are due next Wednesday, okay? That's all for, let's go over your quiz at this time. Please pause the video, Mrs. Duke, pass out the quizzes, and then we'll go over the quizzes. Okay, I normally do not give you the formulas, but since today is like a Monday, basically, it's the first day of the week, I was concerned some of you might have forgotten to study, so I put the formulas on here for you. Now that really weird symbol in number 1 is pi. That's a equals pi r squared. Number 2, that's c equals pi d, okay? Number 1, find the area of the circle. Number 2, find the circumference of the circle, okay? And lastly, and this is the tough one, find the area of a circle with a given central angle and a given diameter. Now, Mr. Arrow, what do you mean by central angle like this, guys? If you have a circle, that's a really good circle, isn't it? If you have a circle and there's a, well, I give up, but anyways, and there's a wedge like this, and I asked you to find the area of that right there, you would have to know the angle right here, okay? And let's say this angle here is 90 degrees. That's called a central angle. So when I give you, I don't want to say the central angle out loud because sometimes students will listen to the intro video before class even starts, like sometimes the night before, and I don't want them to know what the numbers are. But notice on number 3, there's a central angle, okay? Well, when I say central angle, I'm talking about this angle right here, okay? And the diameter is also given to you, okay? All right, hope that helps. That's all for today. Sorry, excuse me. Please get to work on your quizzes and your review sheet. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.